Cajun white pasta sauce recipe. Very easy pasta recipe today. And if you are single, you don't know how to cook, then stay tuned. So very first we are gonna cook pasta with some little bit salt in it. Now we are gonna add some oil to the different pan, and I'm just showing all ingredients what I'm gonna use it so you can make it ready. This is green chili and red chili. Now I'm adding green chili and red chili, and then now I'm using some garlic. You can use as according to your taste. If you like more garlic, you can add more or less. It depends on you. Let it simmer a little bit, and we are gonna use some veggies which are already frozen and cutted and ready to cook veggies, which I'm gonna add now in a pan and let it cook. Cook it halfway, let it be a crunchy little bit. Now I'm adding pasta which already I have cooked, and adding some pasta sauce. It's Alfredo sauce. You can use it till it covers the pastas, and just mix it, and you can let it cook for a couple minutes and they are done. You can eat with a garlic toast. It is like frozen from the Walmart. You can find everywhere, and of course don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.